Health is not thrust upon us. It's something we build every day. When it's about our health, we don't compromise. We refuse to settle for mediocrity and best guesses. We inspired new tools so we could move beyond the uncertainty. We learned how to set the right goals, how to work hard to get at the top, to let them know how we fare when we are apart, to give them new insights when we're not feeling well, so they can make smarter decisions about our health and behavior. We set out to explore, to build something bigger than us. A world where we all know what health looks like. Because we owe it to our humans to get them off the couch, to keep hounding them to stay active and healthy. So we can wake up every day of our lives and go totally insane with joy.
Most dogs need to learn to use a Kong toy. Follow these steps to ensure your dog knows how to enjoy all the benefits of this versatile toy. It's important to use the right size Kong so that your dog can have the safest, most enjoyable experience. Engage your dog with their new Kong, show it off, and talk about it with enthusiasm. Maybe even play a little hard to get to pique their interest and show them what their new toy can do. Many dogs are motivated by food, and Kong toys are perfect for stuffing with treats or kibble to keep dogs busy. The key is to stuff loosely so that the food will come out easily. To entice your dog, try using a little bit of peanut butter or their favorite treat in the Kong. Over time, your dog will learn how to get treats out of the Kong quickly. To increase the challenge, mix wet and dry ingredients, stuff the Kong, and freeze it. A frozen Kong heightens the experience by creating a long-lasting, mentally stimulating task.
Now you know why dogs need to play.
This is Pod. It lets you really get to know your pet. You attach it to their collar and track them on your phone or computer. It works for all pets. Really, all pets. Pod helps you when your escape artist runs away, so you can locate them anytime, anywhere. There's also a safe zone feature, so when your furry friend escapes, you get an alert on your phone. Have you ever wondered what your pet gets up to when you're not around? Well, now you can follow their adventures to see exactly where they've been. You can even monitor their activity levels to make sure they're getting enough exercise. Never lose your pet again with Pod.
when you can't be with the one you love, PetCube Play can. With built-in microphone and speaker, talk to and hear your pet. See in clear 1080p HD video. Go ahead, take a break anytime and play a game of chase. With more PetCube cameras, follow your pet from room to room. And when something's up, get notified with sound and motion alerts. With video history, never miss out and share your best clips. PetCube is the best home monitoring camera, day or night. PetCube, designed for happy reunions.
If you're looking to give your cat a comfortable bed without sacrificing the style of your living space, then the Kitty Ball bed from the Refined Feline is an ideal solution. The Kitty Ball bed gives your cat a roomy, comfortable bed that's off the ground, but easy to get into. Its cushion is soft, removable, and machine washable, while the dome is 17 inches in diameter, providing maximum space and comfort for your cat, big or small. Assembly of the bed is easy. Place the dome over the base and screw into place with a tool provided. The wide column and weighted base keeps the Kitty Ball bed safe and sturdy. Offered in hand-woven, scratch-resistant faux rattan, the Kitty Ball bed is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. The Kitty Ball bed, comfortable for your cat and beautiful in your home.
Cats need fresh water to stay hydrated. This helps reduce urinary tract infections and ensures proper kidney function. The Cat-It Flower Fountain is based on the proven technology of the original Cat-It drinking fountain, with a fresh new look and a brand new flower accessory. The flower fountain has 3 appealing water flow settings to satisfy picky drinkers. Your cat may prefer a large water-to-air surface or long streams of water with a bubbling top. And if that's too exciting, just add the flower bud, quick and easy. The Cat-It Flower Fountain takes up little floor space, and its opaque design keeps water fresh for longer. Its raised ergonomic drinking surface is at a comfortable height for adult cats and even kittens. The 3-litre water reservoir holds a dual-action water softening filter. This filter removes excess calcium and magnesium from hard tap water while retaining stray hairs, sediment and debris for optimal purification and pump performance. The Cat-It Flower Fountain has a simple build which is easy to disassemble and clean. Combine with the Cat-It multi-feeder for a complete dining experience. The Cat-It Flower Fountain, simple, compact and 3-in-1 drinking solution.
Catalpa cat tree from the refined feline redefines feline furniture. The Catalpa replaces the embarrassing carpeted cat tree with a stunning design to please you and your cat. Your favorite feline will love to climb up this 5-foot-tall tower onto each of its extra-long branches, perfect for a cat nap. Each platform is covered with soft Berber carpet that is not only comfortable, but also easy to replace. And for the cat who loves to scratch, they can sink their claws into its durable sisal scratcher. The Catalpa's solid construction and weighted base keeps the tree stable, even for the most voracious of climbers. By expanding to a third platform set, purchased separately, this tree is perfect for multiple cat homes to give everyone their own space to perch. No more hiding your cat furniture in a back room. Have your cat front and center on this elegant cat tree that comes in various colors to match your home's decor. The Catalpa cat tree's simple yet elegant design is the solution for the stylish cat enthusiast who loves their cat and their home.
Introducing EasyDog's Zero Shock Leash, the best training dog leash with shock absorption technology, comfort, control, and style. The Zero Shock Leash is designed using our Zero Shock technology, a shock-absorbing component that drastically reduces strain and pull on the dog and the owner, utilizing EasyDog's soft-touch webbing in the center of the leash. A generously sized neoprene handle also makes this leash a pleasure to hold and is perfect for walking and jogging. The Zero Shock leash comes in two convenient sizes, 25-inch and 48-inch. The 48-inch leash has an additional traffic control handle. This extra handle is positioned near your dog's collar, giving you quick and secure control of your dog when required. And it includes an accessory D-ring for attachment for keys or any item with a clip. The Zero Shock leash is durable, comfortable, and highly functional,